Did you know a typical kitchen produces enough grease each year to make a car engine seize up? It's true. Grease is a fact of life in the kitchen. It coats our stoves, backsplashes, and even sneaks onto cabinets. While cooking up delicious meals, we're also creating a sticky situation. But fear not, battling grease doesn't have to be a chore. Grease is simply tiny droplets of fat released into the air when we cook. These droplets are often invisible to the naked eye, but they are there, floating around and eventually settling on various surfaces in the kitchen. As these droplets cool, they solidify and stick to surfaces. This process happens gradually, and you might not notice it at first. However, over time the grease accumulates, creating a sticky layer that can be quite difficult to clean. Over time, this buildup becomes harder to remove, attracting dust and grime. The combination of grease, dust, and other particles forms a thick, stubborn layer that can make your kitchen look dirty and unkempt. Ignoring grease isn't just about aesthetics, it can also be a fire hazard. Grease is highly flammable, and if it builds up near heat sources like stoves or ovens, it can easily catch fire. Excess grease on stoves can ignite, posing a serious safety risk. A grease fire can spread quickly, causing significant damage and endangering lives. Keeping a clean kitchen is about more than just appearances. It's about safety and hygiene. Regular cleaning can prevent grease buildup, making your kitchen a safer and more pleasant place to cook and spend time in. Tackling greasy messes can feel daunting. Stubborn, baked-on grease may seem invincible, and harsh chemicals can damage surfaces. Using abrasive scrubbers can scratch delicate finishes, leaving your kitchen looking worse for wear. The key is to work smarter, not harder. Effective grease removal is about choosing the right methods and products that cut through grease without causing damage. Section 4. Easy does it. Simple solutions for a sparkling kitchen. Keeping your kitchen clean doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few simple strategies, you can maintain a sparkling kitchen effortlessly. Thankfully, banishing grease doesn't require harsh chemicals or back-breaking labor. You can achieve a pristine kitchen with everyday household items and a bit of know-how. A simple solution of warm water and dish soap works wonders on most greasy surfaces. This combination is gentle yet effective, making it perfect for daily cleaning tasks. For tougher grime, baking soda is a safe and effective option. It's a natural abrasive that can tackle stubborn spots without damaging your surfaces. Make a paste with water and apply it to the greasy area. This paste can penetrate and break down the grease, making it easier to remove. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe away with a damp cloth. This method ensures that even the toughest grime is lifted away with minimal effort. Remember, elbow grease is important, but so is working smarter. Using the right techniques can save you time and energy. Choose tools and techniques that make cleaning easier and more effective. Microfiber cloths, sponges, and brushes designed for kitchen use can make a big difference. Finally, keep your cleaning supplies organized and within reach. A well-organized kitchen makes it easier to maintain cleanliness and ensures that you can quickly address any messes as they occur. With these simple solutions, your kitchen can stay sparkling clean with minimal effort. Happy cleaning! Section 5. The secret weapon, a surprisingly effective trick. Ready for a cleaning hack that will change your life? Imagine transforming your kitchen cleaning routine with just one simple item. Introducing the humble dryer sheet. You might think it's only good for softening your clothes and reducing static, but it has a hidden talent. That's right, the same sheets that soften your laundry can also conquer kitchen grease. It's an unexpected but powerful tool in your cleaning arsenal. Wet a used dryer sheet and use it to wipe down greasy surfaces. The process is simple and the results are astonishing. The fibers in the sheet act like tiny scrubbers, getting into the nooks and crannies of your kitchen surfaces, while the fabric softener helps break down grease. This combination makes it incredibly effective at tackling tough, baked-on grime. You'll be amazed at how easily it lifts away even stubborn, baked-on grime. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Your kitchen will thank you. Cleaning up kitchen grease doesn't have to be a dreaded chore. With these simple tips and tricks, you can keep your kitchen sparkling clean without breaking a sweat. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a safe and healthy kitchen. So, ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the easy way to conquer grease. Your kitchen will thank you for it.